koutou. Call Grace. She is Grace.
And Mora today WINTON School, called Tiana ia. She is Tiana. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for right up at the 10th of February.
Okay, let's start the day with a joke. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Narnia.
Narnia who?
Narnia business. Don't be so nosy.
Straight into te kupu or te wiki then. This week's word is Kata, which is te reo for laugh.
As in, here are queer. Kata na. Why are you laughing?
Bad jokes, that's why.
Kata, which is te reo for laugh?
On to health and safety news. The UV forecast for today is very high, from 12:30 to 3:30.
So make sure you are wearing your koutou and you are sun smart after school. To koutou, kia ora.
And a message from the students in room 10. Please leave the UV index arrow alone. That job is taken.
And high-vis vest. Most people are wearing them. Please do likewise.
Now if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box
below.
There's a lot of words down here.
Come on, get up, we're doing the news. Sports news. A big kia ora to all students returning equipment to the trolleys. And at the end of interval and lunchtime, ka pai.
How's Captain News? You have a meeting in the hall with Mr. W at playtime. Kia ora.
Okay, one birthday at WINTON School today. Grace, you are turning 10.
I know. True. Birthday cake for breakfast and lunch and tea.
That must sound very yummy. I wonder what cake you're getting.
I hope it's chocolate.
Yeah, chocolate is good. Ta ne ke ra. Wa pa no ke kwe.
Thank you. That's it for today from everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team. Ka kitea popo. See you tomorrow.